Your team coverage, as you said, Murdaugh has testified about several things today, restating in his words everything that happened the night of the murder. Some of his focuses included the blood on him, his change in clothing, and his alibis. News 19's Rachel Ripp continues our team coverage now with more.
Alex-Murdaugh, the defendant himself, took the stand earlier this morning after brief testimony from a close family friend, Nolan Tootin. Now, Murdaugh testified that he did, in fact, have blood on his fingertips the night of the murders. Murdaugh went on to say that if blood found on his 2021 Chevy Suburban was fresh, that he put it there, including that the blood found on his gun he was holding when law enforcement came to the scene the night of the murders was blood he put there from touching Maggie's body. Murdaugh testified there was no way he had high-velocity blood spatter on him and that he was nowhere near Maggie and Paul when they were shot.
I'm well aware that my clothes never became an issue in this case until my lawyers proved that this blood spatter that they said I had on my shirt from my wife and my son was a lie, and that there was no blood on my shirt. And once they filed the documents and they proved that that was a lie, all of a sudden the clothes I was wearing back on that day became an issue. And that's in the weeks leading up to this trial.
Murdaugh testified that SLED did not ask him on August 11th, 2021 to produce clothes he was seen wearing the morning of the murders, and that SLED never has. Alex-Murdaugh testified that he knew his phone and his wife's phone never crossed paths the night of the murders. He also testified that he spoke to SLED agent David Owen about this several times. Reporting in Walterboro, Rachel Ripp, News 19, WLTX.
All right, thank you, Rachel. Yeah.